Stop. Even before you spend a single rupee on your new laptop, you need to watch this. The internet is full of best of lists that just confuses you with specs and numbers. But here on UnZip Tech, we are going to give you the one question that you need to answer even before looking for anything regarding buying the new laptop on internet. So the site Shubham here, you're watching UnZip Tech. Let's upgrade and unzip the tech together. The question is very simple. What is the purpose that you are buying this laptop for? In short, what do you need exactly it for? See, a laptop isn't a one-size-fits-all product. The perfect machine for a student is a disaster for a video editor. The gaming beast is overkilling for someone just browsing the web. So the right thing to do right now is forget about the technical genre that we have on web and think what is exactly your purpose that you are gonna buy this laptop for. Are you a student, a creator, or a gamer? Or you just need a laptop for your general purpose, like browsing anything on web? Let's break it down. For a student, you just need something which is more durable, which is lightweight, has a very good battery life so that it can last long for working on it, and something which can survive in your backpack. For the creators like the video editors or the designers, this is where the actual performance matters. You need a powerful processor, a graphic card, and a ton of storage. And cherry on top, a high quality display is non-negotiable at all for a creator. But when it comes for the gamer, you know the drill. It all comes to that end point. That is the raw power. You need a top tier graphic card, a high refresh rate screen, and a robust cooling system to keep up with your intense gaming sessions. The general use, like working at home for managing your personal tasks, or even for office work where you just need to do some sort of browsing, you need to do emails and endless of Instagram reel scrolling. So in this case, you definitely don't need to overspend your money because performance is not what is needed right over here. A entry-level processor and a fast SSD would actually give you a snappy and responsive experience. That too, without breaking your bank. Now that you know all the categories and you are sorted with this question, it's time to get more into the details. And the good news is we are going to do this in our next upcoming video. So in this series, we are going to unzip each and every component and help you explain, is it worth the money that you're paying it for? The next thing, we are tackling up with the heart of the computer, well known as the CPU or the processor. I'll explain the difference between the Intel, AMD and the Apple chipset and make it very much clear to understand which fits your use case. So thank you for watching till the end. If you want to avoid the huge mistake and buy the right stuff for you, make sure you subscribe to UnZip Tech, hit the like button and click the notification bell icon so that you do not miss the upcoming video. And feel free to share this video with your friend or anyone who is looking to buy a new laptop for himself. So that's it for today. See you guys in the next one. Till then, bye-bye.